Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with y'all 2 fun and affordable holiday decor DIYs that can be used just about anywhere. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. First, I want to thank Displates for sponsoring this video. If you guys are shopping for your loved ones now that the holidays are around the corner, this is such a great gift idea. Displates are metal art posters that you can hang anywhere. They come with a magnet on the back. You just peel it off and attach it to the wall. Just hold it for 20 seconds and you don't even need a hammer or needles, so it's really convenient to have and you don't have to put holes in the wall. They have a huge variety of over 190,000 designs. There are tons of different categories from space, animals, abstract art, maps, music, sports, and the list goes on. Displate promotes artists from all over the world to show unique and beautiful pieces. The best part in my opinion about this company is that for every metal poster they sell, they will plant 10 trees. They have planted over 7 million trees and that's just so amazing. When I was unboxing these, I was instantly impressed. I kept saying they're so pretty, they're really high quality images, they look just like what you see on their website. My husband's birthday is coming up and these are going to be part of his gifts. I'm really excited for him to see these because astronomy is one of his passions in life and our daughter's name is in one of these posters. That just makes it even more special. I'll leave a coupon code for you guys in the description box along with our website link so you can check them out. Thank you so much Displate for sponsoring this video. Now let's go ahead and get into these DIYs. For the first DIY, you'll need garland, berries, 3 square mirror coasters, 6 glass candle holders, and 3 candles. These were actually a DIY that I did a couple years ago using silver ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I taped the ribbon on the candles to give it a different look, and you can do this too. Instead of using the hot glue gun, I wanted to use a stronger glue, which is E6000 since I'm working with glass. I'll be making candle holders, so this is just the best way to have them secure. If you wanted to, this is just an idea, you can paint them white and it'll give it more of a winter look, or you can paint it whatever color you want like red, gold, silver. I just personally like them being clear for the crystal look. Just twisting the garland around the candle holder. I'm not going to glue it down because I felt like it didn't need to be glued down. It stays in place, so I just left it as is, but you can glue it down if you want to. I've been using this method for a couple of my DIYs now where I wrap the garland around my hand, that way when I'm going to put it on the object it stays in place. Make sure you leave the candle holders to dry for 24 hours when you apply the glue so everything doesn't collapse. I'm going to put some more glue on the top of the candle holder and apply the mirror on top. For this step, I'm going to use the hot glue gun and glue down the berries. And this is how the first DIY turned out, you guys. I love the way it turned out. What do you think? I also added a bow to each candle holder and added string lights. Everything that you see here is from the Dollar Tree except the candles. I've had these for a couple of years now, but you can really find inexpensive candles just about anywhere. This DIY is so festive and adorable. You can add those Dollar Tree gemstones on the mirror for more glam, but I really like the way that this one turned out without it. The mirror and the traditional colors are so beautiful together. I would find this DIY so hard to believe it came from the Dollar Tree unless I saw it with my own eyes. This is another great gift idea you can give to your loved ones for their home. Let me know where you would style it and if you would make it. I taped the mirror in the middle so it wouldn't get painted on, and I'll just remove it. For any imperfections, I grabbed my brush and paint to cover the missed areas. Here I added the other part of the command strip, that way I can connect them, but I actually ended up connecting both of the pieces together before they went on the wall. It just worked out better to have them connected, that way I don't have to keep looking for the Velcro part to stick on the other part. And here's how the wall decor piece turned out. I like the way the red and white colors look against each other. It's very festive and holiday inspired. I'm excited to share with you guys more holiday decor DIYs, so let me know if you want to see those by giving this video a thumbs up. Which DIY was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Both of these DIYs can be used for home decor or party decor. So this concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, for all your continued love and support. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.